Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're like me and dread ironing your clothes, you've got to check this steamer by Pretty Moment. It'll make your life a breeze. You can mount it on the wall or anywhere you want thanks to a retractable hook. It's super easy to use. It has 3 steam modes so you can iron your clothes smoothly and quickly, and it works on all your garments from delicate fabrics to thick ones. Plus, it's lightweight so you can take it anywhere. No more excuses for not wearing certain clothes because you don't have time to iron them. With this steamer, you can have your family looking sharp without breaking a sweat. So if you're busy and want to save time but still want to look your best, check this steamer out. I highly recommend it. This steamer by Pretty Moment also makes sure you have everything you need to make ironing a breeze. You are going to love it. And that's my point of view.